Today, I'm going to share with you our shopping trip on to Bashas', which is a grocery store here in our area where we live in Southwest Arizona. And I want to take you along into the grocery store as we pick up our chicken, which we're purchasing again today. Absolute preppers, so we buy things that are only couponed on sale when we go to the store. We don't get distracted. We don't buy anything other than what we're intending to go for, which is a sell item. So come along as we go to the store and start prepping more chicken. But first, take a look at the tidbits of what you're about to see. Here we are today, Kevin and I, and today we are heading to Bashas'. Now it says 97 cents on it, but we paid 92 cents the other day because we got our discount. We got all this chicken here on sale, $32.94. Breasts are on sale, breast bone in, but they are big and thick. We bought 12 yesterday, so we're coming back again today for 12 more so that we can freeze them and save money prepping food. You want a cart? Grab the cart. Okay. Here they are. Now it says 97 cents on it, but we paid 92 cents the other day because we got our discount. How many you want? Got all this chicken here on sale, $32.94. We saved $72.98 by buying. If this is your first time here, I'm glad you tuned in. If you've been here before, welcome back, good to see you. So today, I'm actually going to prep and freeze chicken breasts. And as you know, I buy only when things are on sale, and we did just that. So we went to the store yesterday, it's called Bashas'. You'll see it here in the video. And we went to Bashas' and got chicken. They had it on sale. And they had it on sale for 97 cents a pound. Split chicken breast, they're very meaty. So yesterday we went and we bought 4 packs. Here's what we have here. And after talking about it and seeing the size that they were, as you'll see here, Kevin and I decided we would go back today. Look how huge those are. That we would go back today and buy 4 more packs so that we can seal them individually into individual servings, which is this for Kevin and I. It's a big enough for us for 2 people, and freeze them so we have chicken for a long, long time. So as prices continue to go up, we don't have to worry about it. So I want to share with you, with all this chicken that we bought here, it shows, because of the sale price, that it regularly was running $4.49 a pound is the normal price. So we certainly aren't going to pay $4.49 per pound of chicken breast. They had it on sale for 97 cents. So our total savings for everything we have here was $72.98. Our total purchase for all this chicken was $32.94. So as I get it unwrapped, open it up, I'll be able to show you exactly how many chicken breasts we actually got. And again, we're going to freeze them into individual bags, seal them in the freezer, so we have dinner for Kevin and I. I mean, look at the size of this. All that meat, that's a huge chicken breast. And each pack has like 3 or 4. So here we have 4. I have to make a little note so I don't forget how many I took out of each bag. All right. So we'll get them out of the box or out of the packaging and get them separated and frozen. You're welcome to fast forward this at this point, or I might, who knows, during the process. They're still frozen because that's how they came. 1, they're big. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So just like many of you, I get it. Things are not cheap, and it doesn't appear that they're going to get any cheaper anytime soon. In fact, history will show us once prices go up, usually they do not come back down. So we're stuck in the way food cost is, and now you have to learn to shop within your affordable means and feed your family and yourself. Kevin and I are on Social Security, so we don't have an income other than Social Security. Well, we do have other income because we plan for retirement. But anyhow, Social Security check for both of us. So it's not as if we make a fortune. We just happen to bank a fortune before retirement hit. So now let's get these bagged. So I'm gonna cut my bags. Like I've shown you in other videos, buy yourself a food processor, or excuse me, let me rephrase that. Buy yourself a vacuum seal. You can get these at Walmart, you can get them online at Amazon, and they run anywhere from $32 to a couple of $100, and you can buy the bags. They come in the rolls, and they'll run you anywhere from $17 for a box, which gives me about 300 bags. That's what I buy, all the way up to 60 bucks. So shop wisely. So I'm first gonna cut my bags. Okay, now seal up one end of it. So you set it right in there. This here, of course, is your heat element. Press it down and hit seal only, and that'll seal up one end of my bag. This is really the part that takes the longest when it comes to prepping, and that is preparing your bags. So now that we have it sealed, let's put in a chicken breast. And now we'll vacuum seal the other end. So we'll put it back in there, lock it down, and this time we're gonna hit vacuum seal. You see how it sucks the air out, and then it's gonna seal it up completely so that I can put it in the freezer. Once you vacuum seal, these will last in the freezer up to 2 years. Look at that. Sealed up, no frostbite, lasts 2 years in the freezer. I'm just now getting the last one sealed. You can see my stack here is all sealed, ready to go into the freezer. Now let's seal up the last one. Look how monstrous those are. Nice big chicken breasts. Barely fits in the bag. Nope, that'll work. All right, let's seal it. There we go. All done. 27 chicken breast. So let me get my mess picked up and we'll get these in the freezer if I can find room. I know. You're gonna think this is nuts, right? This is all chicken. This is what I had in the freezer. And I've got more in my freezer in the garage, probably another 18 packets. We have enough chicken to last us, I'm guessing, a year. But I want you to know I never paid more than 97 cents a pound or 99 cents a pound for any of this. So let's get the new chicken on the bottom of my rack. The older chicken on top. I have to rotate, and I'm hopeful that I can find room in the freezer here in the house for all of this. If not, I'm gonna have to make room in my chest freezer in the garage, which is gonna be a challenge because that too is full. Again, I want you to know that if you start to prep and you start to package your food and buy only when it's on sale, and I can't emphasize that enough, only when it's on sale, you too will have a stash of food, just like you're seeing here. This is all the new chicken I added at under $1 a pound. Save yourself frustration, anxiety, despair, and worry when you go to the store. There we go. I think I'll get it in on the top shelf. This shelf here is a mixture of beef and pork, mostly pork. We stopped buying beef cuts, too expensive. And then this here is some cheeses and seafood. So I think I can get the rest of the chicken in here. Let's try it. And this chicken, of course, gets used first. And this, folks, is truly how you save thousands of dollars in food costs. Buy it on sale, prep it, bag it, it's ready to cook. For individual dinners. Oh look, I still have room to go shopping. See you on the next video. I hope you liked this. If it gave you any type of hope, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think. Leave me your comments and share with me where you're viewing my video from. Take care of yourselves. Ciao.